This video will show you the installation and packing instructions for a cast glass artwork by glassmaker Tocker. Each glass work has a bespoke crate made specifically for it. Be careful of your back when lifting these crates. Remove the screws and keep these in a safe place for putting back into the crate after you remove the glass. Remove the lids of the crates and store in a safe place. Assess the glass placement and ensure that the surface you are putting the glass on is level. Note the handholds for your fingers either side of the glass. Your thumbs will naturally fit into a place within the fluid section of the glass, and you can lift the glass out of the crate. Place your glass carefully on the plinth without sliding it. Each time you move the glass piece, lift and place it. Do not slide the glass or you will scratch the base. Store your crate in a cool, dry location for use if you need to send the glass anywhere in the future.